Bitcoin trades below $43,000, Ether stays above $2,500. Ethereum's Denkan upgrade goes live but fails to finalize on testnet. Socket Bungee restart operations after apparent $3.3 million exploit. Bitcoin miner Core Scientific to emerge from bankruptcy, relist shares this month. Estimated $1.1 billion flees GBTC in 3 days as ARK begins buying own Bitcoin ETF. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets have gained popularity over the past 24 hours, despite a lack of investor participation in recently launched spot Bitcoin ETFs. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.1% at 56,240 points. Interestingly, a jump in US Treasury yields followed the Fed Governor Christopher Waller downplaying the need for speed on rate cuts has prompted investors to buy Bitcoin. Investors have given a cold shoulder to ETFs so far, which reflects in murky volume. Meanwhile, the focus remains on key data releases and corporate earnings. On the economic front, December retail sales, Federal Reserve Beige Book and business inventories for November due for release later today, along with remarks from John Williams, President and CEO of the New York Federal Reserve, will keep traders fairly engaged. Moving on, according to data from Bloomberg, cryptocurrency markets witnessed a total of $10 billion in trading volumes across 10 ETF products in the first 3 days. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.68 trillion mark, increasing 0.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 5% to $57.5 billion. Meanwhile, Core Scientific, one of the most prominent victims of the crypto winter among Bitcoin miners, received approval for its Chapter 11 reorganization plans from the Southern District of Texas Bankruptcy Court and expects to relist its shares on Nasdaq by the end of this month. Going forward, despite the crypto crash, Ethereum name service witnessed a 50% price increase due to the recent approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin is advocating for ENS integration with the Layer 2 scaling solutions for faster, cheaper transactions. US top futures traded lower, extending a losing session to kick off the holiday-shortened trading week. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 157 points or 0.42%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 0.57% and 0.83% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $42,741, down 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.7%, trading at $2,547. The much-awaited Denkan update has recently been released by Ethereum core developers on the Goerli test network, marking a crucial step towards its imminent mainnet integration. The main objective of the upgrade is to significantly reduce the transaction cost for decentralized apps, with an emphasis on improving Layer 2 rollup chain efficiency, reports highlighted. BNB was down by 3% to trade at $309. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.7% to trade at $0.53. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.2% to trade at $0.84. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.4% at $0.080. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.2%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.57, down by 0.5%. Polkadot was down by 2% to trade at $7.5. However, Solana SOL was up 5% and was trading at $101.4. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $36.2, higher 1%.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Ethereum's much-awaited Denkan upgrade went live on the Goerli testnet earlier Wednesday, but failed to finalize in the expected time. The upgrade was pushed at 6:32 UTC, blockchain data shows, but did not reach consensus and was not finalized on the testnet. Developers expect the apparent issues to be fixed in the coming days. These likely occurred due to low participation and validators not upgrading parts of their software that would have helped with finalization. Finality refers to irreversibility once a transaction has been confirmed and added to a block in a blockchain network. A testnet is a network that mimics real-world blockchains and is used to test applications and important upgrades before they can be pushed live on a mainnet. Interoperability service Socket and its bridging platform Bungee restarted operations early Wednesday after an apparent $3.3 million exploit led to a temporary pause in trading activity. The incident occurred as attackers targeted wallets with infinite approvals to Socket contracts, developers said. Approvals are authorizations for blockchain-based tools that allow applications to access tokens or a specific token in a user's wallet. Anonymous security research Speakaway was the first to flag the exploits at around 18:20 UTC on Tuesday. A wallet connected to the exploit believed to be the attackers holds nearly $3 million in Ether and $300,000 worth of other tokens. Socket paused activity as the exploit came to light, preventing the attack from propagating further. Early Wednesday, Socket developers said on the X the issue was fixed and activities were restarted. They added that plans for compensation were in the works. Cross-chain bridges such as Socket's Bungee allow users to transfer tokens between different blockchains but remain one of the most exploited tools in the market. Core Scientific, one of the most prominent victims of the crypto winter among Bitcoin miners, received approval for its Chapter 11 reorganization plans from the Southern District of Texas Bankruptcy Court and expects to relist its shares on Nasdaq by the end of this month. Under the reorganization plan, the company will pay its existing debt in full, and existing shareholders will get about 60% of new company's equity, according to a press release. The approval came after the company closed its proposed $55 million equity rights offering earlier this month, among the final steps for the miner to complete its reorganization. At the peak of 2021 bull market, when the Bitcoin price rose more than $60,000, the company was the largest publicly traded Bitcoin miner by computing power or hash rate, operating 143,000 mining rigs. However, by the time Core Scientific filed for Chapter 11 on December 21, 2022, the price of Bitcoin had tumbled to around $16,000. Well, the company is now coming out of bankruptcy as the Bitcoin price has risen to $43,000, buoyed by renewed interest from investors after spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds were approved by the SEC in US and ahead of upcoming Bitcoin halving. An estimated $1.1 billion has flowed from Grayscale spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in the last 3 days of trading as investors rush to exit the fund after its discount narrowed to the lowest level in nearly 3 years. An estimated $594 million of outflows alone came from third day of trading on Jan 16, according to an X or formerly Twitter post by Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seffart. Seffart observed inflows from other recently launched Bitcoin ETFs, but was not sure whether those inflows outpaced the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust's outflows on Jan 16. GBTC's estimated $1.17 billion outflow equates to about 27,000 Bitcoin at its current price of around $42,800. Barring the GBTC, 35,761 Bitcoin is held by the 9 other spot Bitcoin ETF issuers, according to X account CC15 Capital. Meanwhile, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest has begun stacking its own recently approved ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF and sold its shares of ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF and other tech-focused shares in its ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Jupiter. Jupiter, a decentralized finance aggregator based in Solana, has announced a token airdrop to deliver 1 billion freshly minted JUP tokens into the wallets of Solana DeFi users. The airdrop will begin on January 31st at 10 a.m. EST and will be eligible for almost 1 million crypto wallets. The majority of user allocation is determined by trading volume and site usage consistency. All users will receive at least 200 JUP, with those holding $10 or making at least 10 transactions prior to March 2022 receiving an additional 500 JUP. JUP was trading at 12% up in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Injective. Injective Protocol's token INJ has reached 47 million staking volumes, accounting for 47.7% of its total supply. The staking annual percentage rate is currently around 15.9%, indicating increased demand and positive momentum. Injective Protocol announced its Wallen mainnet upgrade on January 11th, focusing on real-world asset module, interoperability capacities, enterprise-grade scalability, Oracle feed design, tokenomics optimizations, and burn enhancements. The upgrade also aims to broaden wallet access to dApps and encourage community participation in governance. INJ was trading at $39, down 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Ethereum Name Service. Ethereum Name Service has seen a 70% increase in the past week despite the overall bearish trend in 2023. Despite the crypto crash, ENS has seen 50% price increase due to the recent approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin is advocating for ENS integration with Layer 2 scaling solutions for faster, cheaper transactions using human-readable domains. ENS is a decentralized naming system on the Ethereum blockchain, enabling users to obtain names eligible to humans. ENS was trading at $22, up near 4% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have a new meme coin and a very interesting update, which is Anita Maxwin. In a surprising turn of events, the Anita Maxwin token on Solana has experienced an astonishing 350% surge in the last 24 hours, making it the top performing token on the DEX Screener portal. For those who don't know what the token is about, I'll give you the updates. So it's a meme coin featuring a logo of a cartoon girl with glasses, and it found its roots in a playful moment during one popular rapper Drake's streams in late December 2023. With a current market capitalization of $40.3 million and a trading volume of $14.6 million, Win has captured the attention of the crypto community. So recently, the rapper Drake, known for his interactive engagement with fans, showcased the cap with the character Anita Maxwin, humorously declaring her as his alter ego. I need Maxwin, dubbed in gambling lingo. The meme coin quickly evolved into a token on Solana in January. Win was trading at $0.044 in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Manta. Manta Network, a renowned ZK application platform, will integrate with Forward, a no-code application marketplace on the Manta Pacific mainnet. This integration will allow users to use the variety of no-code applications available in the Forward marketplace, while developers can use Manta's architecture features such as cost-effectiveness and safety concerns to build and implement relevant templates.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.tweeversetv.io or scan the QR code.